All right, about to start things up. Remember, if you're watching, to like and subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying the content. I appreciate it. Let's see what we got here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Hey, if you're just joining me, I am long, but I'm taking profit on my longs, right? In Discord, I signaled long swings, so of course I joined in on day trades as well. I'm kind of wrapping things up, taking profit. I'll be looking to, let me just see. Yeah, so pretty nice push there. Pretty nice push there so far. I'll be looking for a pullback. We can get another pullback out of this flag breakout, then I'll look to join again. But yeah, I'm wrapping up this push. I'm actually taking profit. I took profit on this push up. So yeah, we'll see what happens next. We'll see what happens next. Up about a little over 2,300 so far across all accounts, mobile and desktop here. So we'll see what happens. All right. Feel free to drop any questions in the chat for me. So I'll look for a pullback into the 615, 614, maybe even 575 area. I'll probably add if we pull into the 575. So even better pull would be like 550, but kind of like we sweep the bull flag lows, shake everybody out, then push back up. All right, but I'm not sure if we're gonna get that here. We're in a really tight hourly squeeze. I know how those hourly squeeze tends to work out, right? So not sure if we're gonna get that pullback just yet. But anything's possible, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, if we can hold this range here between 600, 620, we should be able to push into the 700, 730 level, right? Looking for this push into this pivot level up here. If we can hold this level, we can hold 600, right? We can hold 600, and we'll likely boom, boom, somewhere up in here, maybe even halfway, right? So we'll see what happens. Being patient right now, waiting for a better pullback. We may or may not get it. Again, we are releasing out of an hourly squeeze, right? Hourly squeeze on Qs. SPY, it was lagging earlier this morning, but now it looks like it's getting its legs. So it doesn't look like we're gonna. I would be surprised if we failed the flag formation out of this tight hourly range. All right, just my 2 cents. So again, 614, 600 level. I'll be looking to grab some longs just to test.
Order filled. Order filled.
Got some news coming in about Putin right now. Putin talking to Putin says if Europe wants to fight war. We are ready now. So I'm not sure how that's going to affect the markets, but it starts dropping rapidly, then I'll just exit out of my longs, right? No need to hold. I need to hold. They're talking about blowing each other up to smithereens. I'm just going to get out. Up about 30 points here on this position. I'm going to look to start taking some profit off here, actually.
Order filled.
Gotta be happy with that. Can't complain at all. Won't complain at all.
Order filled.
Alright, so it's a nice move. You can see here we landed perfectly on this level that I drew out right here, right? So had to execute on my plan. Bounced 30 points off that this level that I drew out for y'all. 30 point. Let's see where that puts us at. I think we keep pushing. If we can stay above 600, we should still get another nice push, in my opinion. All right, so look out for the 600 bounce possible, even 612, 613 ish. Bounce here. If we hold the 630s though, that's even better. Cause I mean it's flagging out right now. So yeah, let's see what happens. Already got a pretty nice bounce from this level I drew out earlier. All right, took profit on all of my positions on that bounce there. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. We can find support and stay above 640, then I would expect us to go and take out that high at the 654s. But we'll see, right? Looking for this 600, 613 possible bounce here. So we'll see what happens. I'm cash right now, but I'm just calling out what I'm seeing right now. Definitely possible bounce here at the 600s though, even 613s. I think the 600 would be a better play here as far as being patient, waiting for a bounce. But we'll see. Kind of like we swipe below that previous week, because the previous week didn't quite touch 600, right? We stopped at about 603, so maybe we swipe the 603, come down, and then pull back up and get like a double bounce here at the level, kind of push higher. Now it's possible that we could just break this entirely and just tap this pivot level again. That's possible too. It's about a 30, 40 point pull right there. So let's see what happens. I'm not looking to take anything as of yet. I'm just being patient. Just being patient. Still cash. Like I said, I'm chilling on entering any longs right now. I just want to see what happens if we can hold these levels. But again, like I said, the 600 is the better bounce between that and the 613 bounce. I would go with the 600, but I'm just looking to kind of see what we do here. I'm not going to take any positions right now because honestly, we could just pull through to the 570s, 580s, 570s, right? I look to get test along again at around the 5 here, basically at the pivot, 560s. Look to possibly take a entry there. That's just me, right? I've been tagging this all morning. I'm up pretty nice, but I think that I'm just going to chill for now. If you check out the tech flow engine, it's telling us that pullbacks are likely to bounce moderate tech buying pressure. So in order for me to really go crazy, go stupid with sizing and stuff, I really want the tech flow to be more like institutional buying in type deal, right? I mean, this is great with the pullbacks are likely. I've been buying them all morning because of it. The tech's been giving me, tech flow's been giving me direction. You can see we're bouncing here, like I said, that we probably likely would. But, can only beat a dead horse so many times, right? So I'm just being patient, trying to see if we get a bigger pool for me to get long, right? Because this one's like, these are like these mini micro little dips here that I've been already tagging these already, right? Took this first micro mini dip here, right? So I mean, you can only do this so many times, I feel like, right? So I'm waiting for a bigger pool. But again, I mean, it's still working out nicely. If we can hold above 645, then it is likely that we will continue higher. It's one flag that worked out. Looks like we're forming another flag. I'd be targeting the 700, 730 area for today. Watch Apple here. Apple's taking out those highs here, releasing out of a nice hourly squeeze. Apple looks like it has some legs to get into the 286. Could be a nice trade there for you. Nice flag here. Watch Apple push for the 286 here. Again, if we can hold the 640s here, we should continue pushing higher. If we can hold 640s, we should continue to push higher. We should. All right, looks like we're getting a little resistance here at the 646. We had a previous rejection there at around 10:15 as well. So 10:15 Eastern as well. So failure to hold the 640s. But again, if we hold 640s, it's likely that we're going to go take out. Just draw a line for y'all. Right, show you where we're kind of caught in this range. 640s, right? So we can hold above 640s. And it's likely we'll go tap out. We'll tap that high at the 53s or so. Maybe get about halfway, I'd say probably to the 670s to even 700s to top of the pivot level here at the 730s, 720s. All right, so that's what I'm looking for. There's another bounce level I'm looking at as well, the 573. This is a lot better than, for me at least, this is the level that I'm looking at, these two, between the 570s and the 560s in that area, okay? For a nice bounce. Even the 580. It's like we're cracking that level here. I'm not long yet. Not long yet. See another level here I like. Alright, so it's possible that we could bounce here. But I'm liking this 540 level as well. So maybe I'll get a starter position here, right? And then add down here. But I'd rather get a position down here. This is kind of looking, ooh, look at that.
Order filled. Order filled.
Here. All right, nice bounce. I'm all right. Wow.
Order
Take
filled.
profit there. That was a great play. That was a great play. Okay. 23-point pop off of that low. Huge move there. Okay. Where are we at? Okay. So I'm up. What's that? I'm up like 333, 3,600 for the day. 3,600 for the day. Wait, let me see. I'm actually up more than that. I'm up $4,000 for the day. Okay, $4,000 for the day. Between these accounts, I got another account. I'm up 455 under this one here. Haven't traded on this account yet. But I'm up 455 under that one. And you can see the rest here. Okay, so nice. And then I'm up some on my mobile that I took early as well. So up $4,000, 4K for the day, 4K for the day. I think that's it. That's a wrap. Honestly, I don't know what more I need to do for today. I think I should just lock this in and just come back tomorrow. Right? Just come back tomorrow and see what we get. you know, if they have like news or something like that popping off about war or something, you know, we get some huge market moves, then you know, maybe I'll pop back on. If you're subscribed to the channel though, you should be able to see when I'm hopping on live. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, if you will, if you're enjoying the commentary and enjoying the trades. And I appreciate you for joining me. But that's it for me for today. I'm going to hop off and I'll catch y'all later.